The development concept of αwrapper 8 is safety and security and easiness. αwrapper series has evolved to achieve a higher packaging quality, assuring safety and security while improving the packaging quality. To achieve this goal, we evolved two of our main technologies, bag forming and sealing technologies. In bag forming technology, we succeeded to improve its stability by adding more strength to the main body frame, the film frame and the end seal frame. We were also able to reduce film tracking by reducing the number of rollers and shortening the distance between the film shaft and the bag former. In addition, we introduced the adjustable film angle lever. This allowed us to expand the adjustable range of the bag forming and enabled the best bag forming for each format. In the evolution of sealing technology, we adopted servo motors to drive the open-close mechanism of the centre second roller. This made control of the sealing pressure possible. Box motion has been reinforced to endure heavier duties by removing the side plate and adopting a simpler design. This has contributed to a higher sealing quality. αwrapper 8 adopts induction heating in centre seal unit. αwrapper 8 also has a stabilisation control over the sealing temperature. It can learn the fluctuation between the operating time and non-operating time. It stabilises the sealing temperature and improves the sealing quality. Easy to use for anybody, αwrapper 8 realised easiness by adoption of auto-calculation function and by improvement of the operation panel. Once the user enters the basic information, such as product size and scale value, αwrapper 8 automatically calculates rejections. No complicated setting or adjustments are necessary. We adopted a wide touch panel for the main operation panel. It provides a full range of information setting ability on an easy-to-see screen while securing the scalability. The operation panel adopted a universal design, using colour patterns that are visible to elderly or colour handicapped people. One of the efforts to reduce possible causes of human errors. Operation status bar has been placed in an easy-to-see location. Machine status can be checked at a glance. Frequently used functions can be customised on the home and menu screens. Users can complete all the operations on one screen and don't need to memorise the locations of every key. Each product requires a specific setting. αwrapper 8 memorises all the settings by each product number. It notifies the user by blinking when the current setting values are different from the memorised one. It will help the users from forgetting to change the setting every time the product is changed. αwrapper 8 is equipped with the company's original Fuji Vision system, or FVS. FVS is a system that reads the film image with high speed and high resolution. It uses that information to apply various functions. The automatic teaching function of FVS will assure higher functionality and easier operation. In addition, we are pursuing easiness by improving the operability. We adopted an open-close film feed roller frame. In this frame, the compression rubber roller can be opened and allows an easier film change. Now, changing films and cleaning the sensors can be done so easily and quickly. We lowered the film shaft position by 35mm from the 1395mm of the previous model. A lower film shaft enables easier operation. Shedding of its weight from the previous model made the operation even easier. awrapper 8 also made cleaning easier. The body chute has a larger opening, in-feed conveyor surface is boltless, and the discharge conveyor uses a slide system. Maintenance has become easier too. The centre seal bed is removable and the centre seal unit frame can be opened and closed without any tools. Of course, the basic functions have enhancements. Production reports such as operation rates and operation status can be checked at a glance. awrapper 8 notifies the safety cover status individually. awrapper 8 adopted high-accuracy control technology. This improved the accuracy of the servo motor synchronization and responsiveness of the peripheral equipment. The safety measure of the control system has been reinforced. We applied the Safety Category 3 standard. Security functions have also been reinforced. To prevent human error, accessibility to operation screen is limited depending on the operator's level. Operation history and data changes are logged. Furthermore, awrapper 8 can accommodate multiple languages. awrapper 8's evolution to improve packaging quality extends even to details. A stainless steel film-free roller was adopted to ensure food sanitation. A non-contact fibre sensor was chosen for film end detection. A servo motor was adopted for the in-feed conveyor drive. Reduction of risk has also been improved. Centre first roller, second roller and overhead transfer brush have been unitised. It enables part sharing and shorten parts replacement time. In addition to the centre seal drive and end seal drive, the servo motor and the reduction gear have been directly connected. This beltless mechanism eliminates troubles due to breakage of timing belts. Of course, we haven't forgotten about approach to saving. We achieved energy saving by adopting an IH heater in the centre sealer. It reduced the temperature rise time by 50% compared to a mould heater. awrapper 8 has reduced the wrapper preparation time from 5 seconds to 2.5 seconds, resulting in a reduction of production loss. We reduced the film route distance and we could save and use film waste by 500mm during set run. The evolution of awrapper 8 never ends. It wraps your products with safety and security and easiness.